Hello dear friends, welcome again to my channel. The video of today, as I told you last week, is gonna be about Colorado. I think I told you, maybe not. Anyways, so I spent in September 2 days in Colorado in the northern part, 1 day in the Rocky Mountains National Park, and the second day was in Roosevelt National Forest, which is an hour away from the national park. And it was two beautiful places. I did two hikes there. The first one was Sky Pond, and the second one was Isabelle Glacier. So I will write at the very beginning of the video the name, the mileage, and the elevation gain of the two hikes. And I'm just gonna shut up afterwards and not tell anything during the video because it was so beautiful, and I just want to share the images and the videos. So enjoy it, and if you have any questions, don't hesitate to write me a comment. Bye bye. In Roosevelt National Forest. It's in the north of Colorado and it is very close to the Rocky Mountains National Park. It's a very good alternative for hiking during the busy months for the Rocky Mountains National Park. It's super pretty, very alpine sceneries, and today the weather is wonderful, so we are pretty lucky.